Sanskrit World. Learn Sanskrit through English. Easy Sanskrit lessons by Kuladeepa Dhimana. Lesson 2. Asking someone's name. If you wish to ask a man his name, you would say, Bhavatah Naam Kim. Bhavatah Naam Kim. Bhavatah means your. Naam means name. Kim means what. Bhavatah Naam Kim. What's your name? The answer could be Mama Naam Shyamah. Mama Naam Shyamah. Mama means my, Naam means name, Shyamah. Shyamah is the name of this particular person. You could substitute this name with your name and the names of some of your friends. For example, Mama Naam Rakeshah. Mama Naam Jagmeetah. Mama Naam Akbarah. Mama Naam Andersonah. And if you wish to ask a woman her name, you would say, Bhavatyah Naam Kim. Bhavatyah Naam Kim. What's your name? Bhavatyah means your. Naam Kim. You know this already. Bhavatyah Naam Kim. The answer could be Mama Naam Lata. You may substitute Lata with your own name or someone else's name. Mama Naam Riya. Mama Naam Simran. Mama Naam Jamila. Mama Naam Angela. You may revise the words you learnt. Bhavatah, it means your. Bhavatyah, your but feminine. Naam means name. Kim, what. Mama, my. Based on these examples, make 10 sentences of your own.